I've been trying to process what happened to me in the supermarket, and me think like it just it just processed now. I'm walking through the supermarket trying to make sure that I remembered everything and whatever. Cause I don't like the midweek running to the shop thing. Can't take it up and down in the hot sun. So me just make sure everything is bought from Saturday. A woman walked up to me with a hand basket with groceries in there. She said God said to her that she was gonna get a blessing today and she doesn't have any money, but God said she must go to the grocery store and somebody is going to pay for the groceries for her. And she saw me and there was a light beaming off of me, and she just knew that I was the person that God sent to pay for the groceries. Miss, wrong somebody. Wrong somebody. I can't even pay for my groceries them.